The Cyclone-Pro by Nodrax. It's a 4-in-1 vacuum, a portable vacuum for your car, automobile, house, work. It vacuums, it blows, it inflates, and deflates. So we're going to open this up, show you what you get inside and what it's all about. Show you how nicely things are packed. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery, 40 plus minutes run time. You get a nice case, and it takes 3 hours fast charge time. An instruction guide, your unit, which is the vacuum, nice size of a large hand it fits in. You have your pieces, your accessories, all put together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your cable, 5, 6, and 7. You have 7 accessories. Charge for the first time with the USB-C cable. And we already have a cable here, so we're going to plug in to the side of the unit of the handle, lowest side. We have an LED indicator, a couple of lights blinking till it's full. This is a nice portable vacuum to keep in the office, your drawer, in the car, and more. You have a locking mechanism that you simply counter-rotate, pull out, and whenever the filter gets dirty, you can replace it with the spare that is given by simply placing in, pushing down, and in reverse order with the arrow in the up position, locked down into place. It may take a few tries to do, but it's on just like that. This is the vacuum, this is the blower. So if you wanted to blow a raft up, you put the attachment piece on like so. If you wanted to blow something smaller up, you put the other attachment on. You're given 4 types for wide mouth, medium-sized mouth. And if you're doing a keyboard, you put the narrow chute on and you put the keyboard attachment on. The vacuum attachment goes on. It has a notch in 2 areas. When you push in, you have your regular vacuum area and your brush vacuum area. To use the unit, there's an on and off. It has 2 speeds, normal and turbo mode. Press it, long press, normal, turbo, and off. Let's go try the NVX 2500B and see what it could go clean and do. You have an air conditioner that you want to blow away. Get all the dirt out from the inside. Simply turn on. And vacuum clean. Clean the tracks between the window. Clean the dirt out of the track. Messy keyboards, clean the keyboards. Third way. Clean up dirty areas. The blower, the sucker, and the deflator by pulling off the piece and putting on the proper suctions, turning on. And you could deflate the bag as well by opening up, putting on another piece, and blowing in air to a bag, demonstrating inflation. The Nodrax comes with a nice soft cloth bag that you can simply put all your attachments in and your vacuum and store it for the next time you need it. So if you're looking for a Cyclone-Pro vacuum by Nodrax, this product may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.